Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can remove unwanted object from our video on Inshot mobile application. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have created a project on my Inshot application. And for example, guys, I'm going to remove this phone from my video. First of all, we can go to the PIP option. We're going to overlay this video with the same video. Tap on the PIP and I'm going to click on this video. Okay, then we can click on this autofill button to fit the screen, and we're going to put mask to this second video to cover the unwanted object. We can go to the mask option, this one guys, and you can select the type of the mask you would like to apply. I'm gonna go with the circle mask, for example. Then we can take another part of this video to cover the unwanted object, and I'm just going to take this part because I think this part will be suitable to cover it. Okay, once we're done, we can click on the check mark. Then we can drag the mask to cover the unwanted object. Feel free to rotate it if you need, like this. You can also zoom in or zoom out to adjust the size. And then you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with the result. Okay, and I think it's done. Once we're done, we can click on this check mark, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's how we can remove unwanted object from our video on Inshot application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.